Hi and welcome to Lazy Gadgets. Today another tiny steampunk teaser. Yeah, I know I can't hear the word steampunk myself anymore, but this is the last one. Next time it's more Nerf mods to be more exact. And yeah, this is a steampunk version of the plasma rifle from Fallout. Hopefully pretty obvious. The stand is pretty ugly, but the stand will not go to the customer, just the rifle, so I don't really care for the stand. Yeah, in the rear, a tank, cooling fins, the battery, steel ball in the middle. I don't know what it is with me and steel balls. I just love them. Blue barrel section. And let's switch to the other side. Welcome to the other side. A lot of copper, a lot of tubes, and now I think this works a bit better. Tubes on the side sticking up. Fake scope. Tank in the rear, well, tanks, and it's full metal, even the hose. As if there is something going on in the barrel. I love it. A lot of pipes. Awesome. Let's test the laser. An old hoodie. Instant smoke. Oh, already through. Yeah, it's 2 seconds. That's really thick clothing, not just a t-shirt or something. Working. I totally forgot to show you the front. Looks like this. Very ray gunny. And that's it for today, guys. Like I said, next is the Nerf. I have 2 long strikes laying around. I'm gonna make a super long sniper mod, one of them. Might even make a giveaway someday. So let me know what you want to see, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys next time.